Hello, my name is Rene, and I am the head of product management here at Rift. And today we're going to talk about taming the costs of operating a data center using NFV automation. Rift is a company dedicated to bringing service providers a best-of-breed NFV service orchestration and automation solution that is open, standards-based, and cost-effective. We believe in eliminating vendor lock-in and in model-driven repeatable automation that can be deployed quickly and repeatedly with little coding effort, regardless of infrastructure, use case, or application supplier. Today, virtualization of almost everything in our lives has resulted in higher demand for cloud infrastructure. The driver behind this demand is not only the applications that run our daily lives, such as music apps, fitness apps, and the like, but also the network functions such as mobile wireless, Wi-Fi networks, and security functions that connect these applications together. As a result, data center spending by service providers has also increased. The issue is that data centers today are known to be underutilized. This is due to factors such as overprovisioning, which is paying for extra capacity just in case you need it, or stranded capacity, where remaining capacity is simply left idle. This results in anything from a third to almost half the capacity in the data center from being unused. This has impacts on the bottom line and is also bad for the environment, since power consumption is one of the biggest costs in a data center. There are some well-known studies showing that with consolidation, it is possible to place workloads on fewer servers so that they are fully utilized. Consolidation involves moving workloads together onto a smaller set of servers, so these are running at higher capacity. The remaining idle servers can be spun down in order to reduce power consumption, or better yet, you can use these idle servers for other non-essential purposes. These servers can then be ready in case there is a sudden surge in demand, in which case the essential workloads can be placed onto these idle servers. Unfortunately, consolidation is very difficult to do for network functions and services. Because these are the essential connections of our virtual life, speed is vital. You cannot afford long maintenance windows. Furthermore, these are mission-critical applications, and mistakes or outages can have severe impacts on your customers. Then there is the fact that for every service there are dozens of applications linked in complex ways, and there are likely dozens of copies of these services as well, which means you need to potentially deal with hundreds of applications at a time. And keep in mind, these services run over all types of cloud or network infrastructure in many locations. Finally, whatever method is used for consolidation needs to be repeatable, because in the virtual world, nothing is static, and consolidation and workload movement will need to be done again and again. Clearly, this is not something that can be done using human intervention and a process or a checklist. So let's look at the practices of the web-scale companies. The Googles and Facebooks of the world use automation extensively for both large and small tasks and procedures. In fact, as the quote from Google shows, automation means you can do more things more frequently, allowing you to constantly fine-tune your data center in a repeatable and safe manner instead of waiting until the middle of the night for a long maintenance window. Automation also means you can do more with your existing personnel, who can now leave the mundane details to the automation tool while focusing on more critical and forward-looking matters, such as creating new services or finding more ways to fine-tune the existing services. At Rift, we have created the Riftware Automation Suite for exactly this purpose. Riftware is the industry's first multi-standards carrier-grade automation solution designed specifically for service providers. It is pound for pound the highest scaling automation solution with the lowest footprint. Riftware is designed to automate services as a whole, and not just individual applications. It deals with configuration and networking at the infrastructure, application, and service level, meaning that you can deploy entire services that drive revenue, and not just application pieces that require further assembly. Riftware is use case agnostic and is equally at home managing 5G services, Wi-Fi, SD-WAN, and any other network service, as well as enterprise services such as databases, firewalls, and web proxies, making it an ideal fit for any market segment from smart cities to the Internet of Things. It makes extensive use of industry standard models and APIs, making any automation process highly repeatable, and it works on any cloud infrastructure as well, be it containers, VMs, or bare metal. Riftware is built on an Etsy NFV management and orchestration core, sandwiched between service-oriented, runtime-focused automation at the top and infrastructure-facing plugins at the bottom. Built according to industry standards such as Etsy NFV, TM Forum, MEF, OSM, and ONAP, Riftware is equally at home dealing with service provider network functions or enterprise applications, from 5G functions such as CU, DU, UDSF, or NSSF, to Kafka, Grafana, or MongoDB. Riftware's model-driven architecture ensures that any network service can be designed once and deployed many times using the same models over any cloud. Riftware's feature set is tailored to network operations and is made to ensure that any application from any supplier can be connected together and deployed on any virtual infrastructure quickly and repeatably using standard models. Riftware's NFV automation capabilities can then be used to drive the instantiation of services and their constituent network functions and applications with a single click, and manage the life cycle of these services and applications in an automated, repeatable fashion. With support for advanced lifecycle management functions such as auto-scaling and auto-healing, Riftware puts your network on cruise control, allowing any application to grow, shrink, and recover itself according to any network condition without manual intervention. Riftware is now distributed as part of QCT's OrcheStream NFV Director product set, which comprises advanced management capabilities ranging from switch and compute infrastructure to end-to-end services. Riftware integrates with NFV Director's advanced telemetry and analytics functions to enable closed control loop automation actions. With Riftware integrated into QCT's NFV Director, you can make any service as dynamic and responsive as you want. You can grow and shrink them, move parts of these services around for consolidation, resiliency, or security purposes, and you can do so based on simple demand thresholds or complex machine learning driven analytics found in QCT's NFV Director. Riftware is the engine for creating dynamic, breathing networks over any infrastructure, and our standards-based APIs simplifies the integration with order management, customer management, and network operation systems. In conclusion, QCT OrcheStream is a turnkey solution for service provider cloud deployments. QCT OrcheStream is specifically designed for service providers' needs and contains the functionality needed to manage, monitor, and control cloud deployments from infrastructure to application to service. QCT OrcheStream is uniquely capable of driving 5G cloud-native deployments. As a partner in QCT's ecosystem, Riftware integrated in OrcheStream enables any service to be deployed simply, quickly, and repeatably on any cloud. Riftware's standards-based design and model-driven plugin-based architecture enables it to easily integrate with all components found in the service provider's ecosystem, from OSS BSS to third-party network functions to cloud infrastructure. Riftware's unique orchestration and automation capabilities can drive advanced lifecycle management functions such as workload placement, scaling, and healing automatically without manual operator intervention, allowing service providers to put their network services on cruise control. Together, QCT and Rift are committed to service providers' needs through providing carrier-grade hardware and software specifically designed to address service provider use cases and workflows. Rift is proud to partner with QCT as part of their 5G Orchestream ecosystem. This ecosystem is created with like-minded partners who believe that service providers can reduce cost, speed deployments, and eliminate vendor lock-in when they have an open ecosystem with best-of-breed components. With QCT's ecosystem partners, we are building the world's most advanced 5G-ready infrastructure now, and it will come pre-integrated and ready for 5G service deployments with QCT's products. Thank you for your time today, and please do not hesitate to contact us at sales@rifdio.com for more information.